Welcome to my video on fast file names. So what I'm going to do is take my class list and I'm going to break up the first and last names. So I'm going to go over to the Data tab, Text to Columns, Delimited is fine. I'm going to check the box by comma and space, and you can hit Next. You can see what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and hit Finish. So I would probably rename these columns last name, first name, file name. To get my file name, I'm going to hit equals and then start typing concatenate, which is the function that I want to use. I'm going to use the student's last name, so I'm going to click on A2. You put a comma. You're going to put quotes because I'm now going to type, and I'm just going to type in the file name. I'm going to call it quiz 8. You're going to close your quotes and close your parenthesis and hit enter. Once you get that first one, all you're going to do is copy it for the rest of them. I'm just using Control D to do that. Now what I'm going to do is take these names, these file names, and use them for my files, for my students' quizzes. So I scanned it. You can set, usually a lot of copy machines now you can just scan, send to yourself. And so I've got my quizzes here in this file. I'm going to split them. So I'm using Adobe Pro here. I'm going to Tools and then Organize Pages. I'm going to hit Split, and it's popping up at one page for me already, so I don't have to change it. You would change it right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit Split. So that made all of the files for me. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn the preview pane on just so I don't mess anything up. And you can see that if you look at part 1, that is Chandler Bing's quiz. So you're going to come over here into my cell D2. I'm just going to copy that data that's in there. I'm going to go over to the PDF and hit rename for the file and just paste that name in there. I just hit Control V and you're done. That's how fast it is. So you can do the same thing for Phoebe. Go over here, copy it. You're going to hit rename and then just paste in that file name. It's that fast. I do keep the preview pane on when I am returning the quizzes or the tests, whatever it is, just to make sure that I match up the correct student with their paper. Thanks for watching.